In this video, I'm going to explain in detail how to install the Kenworth fuel neck replacement system with anti-siphon on a Kenworth truck. When you open your kit, you'll find your industry's only billet aluminum anti-siphon with a chain attached to a zip tie. This is for a reason. Make sure that your retaining clip or spring is spread and is secure through the base. It sometimes gets pushed in during shipping, so make sure that that's out. All you simply do is make sure your chain is free, slide it into the tank orifice, leave it like so. Take your collar, make sure you lube with some 3-in-1 oil, motor oil, any type of petroleum-based oil to help ease the installation process. Tighten as tight as you can by hand, being careful. Aluminum is a little sharp at times, so be careful. Then use a non-marking strap wrench such as this. Cheap Husky Home Depot one works just fine. And tighten as tight as you possibly can to get a good compressed seal between the leak defender collar, the O-ring, and your existing fuel neck on your tank. Once that's completed, in your kit you'll also have your baggie with your 3 set screws and your included Allen wrench. Remove the set screws and install. You have 3 tapped holes that you install the set screws in. I would put them in as tight as you can, being careful not to strip. So take your screws very easily, they thread in. Use your included Allen wrench and tighten them down. Okay, complete that for all 3 screws. There's three screw holes to put your set screws. The last step for your Kenworth anti-siphon replacement system kit is take your cap. We'll have a screw and a chain. Pull the zip tie and the chain out, clip the zip tie, and then attach your chain to your new cap. Secure the screw, and the installation is complete.